guys, you are watching Tech Engineering YouTube channel by Mohammad Abdul Mehboob, and today I am going to explain you projection of line chapter, and this chapter is applicable to diploma, ITI and engineering students. So, and it is of 10 to 15 marks for the different branches. So watch this video till the end and also practice by yourself, then only you will come to understand how this problem is solved by the question given in the question. So please watch this video till the end. Also, if you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe my channel, and please also press in my YouTube channel bell icon to get you the more notification of these other videos. So I will going to start my question. A line PQ measuring 65 mm has one of its ends on VP and 20 mm above HP. The other end is 60 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. Complete the projections and determine true inclination of the line. So we have to find inclination also. Inclination means angle. So before starting this question, first you have to draw a reference line, XY line, like this. This is the XY line, reference line, and this upward will be vertical plane VP and downwards horizontal plane HP. Then after, you have to see that how much line is up and down in the question given. First you have to see the question. A line PQ measuring 65 mm means a PQ line is there of 65 mm has one of its ends on VP, means 65 mm line is having on VP, having one of its end on VP, having 65 mm distance, and 20 mm above HP. Then first I will draw this 65 mm above VP. VP means above VP 65 mm, no, means having 65 mm length. Okay, so don't be confused that he has given the distance. So it is having a PQ line of 65 mm which is above HP. One of its end of 65 mm is above VP and 20 mm above HP. 20 mm above image means you have to take 20 mm up like this. Here you have given and draw a locus line like this and show the dimension of this line 20 mm. Okay. Above HP I have shown you. The other end is 60 mm above HP, means a 65 mm line is a 60 mm line having the other end is 60 mm above HP. 60 mm above HP means from XY line you are having a 60 mm height like this. Okay, I have taken the 60 mm distance and drawn the one more locus and showing the dimension of this line above, that is 60 mm. Okay, and 30 mm in front of VP. 30 mm in front of VP means in front of VP you have to draw 30 mm, means on HP you have to draw 30 mm like this. And one more locus you have removed, you have to draw and show the dimension of this line. 30 mm distance you have taken, 30 mm. Then complete the projections and determine true inclination of the line. As per the question given I have done, but 65 mm line I have to draw here. So to draw the 65 mm line on VP, because it is resting on VP only. So on VP you have to draw, adjusting your divider 65 mm, taking the measurement of 65 mm on divider and keeping on that end and putting an arc. Means from this end you have a line 65 mm. So draw the line of 65 mm like this. Show the dimension of this line by perpendicular extension lines you have to take according to that line. Show the dimensioning line, arrow marks. This is 65 mm. Then after, now according to the question we have done the almost the question, but remaining in the here also you will have one more front view line, and here two more lines will be here in the top view. This will be the front view and here you will have the top view. Okay, this line labeling will be as said in the question PQ, P dash, and this will be Q dash. and from this Q dash you have to take a straight line downwards till this locus here, okay, till here, means this the focus here is meeting here, no, from this point will be P, because he has given only the distance of the other end. So from here to here we are having one more line like this, sorry, not here. So then after you have to take your divider and keeping on that point and that end and take an arc like this, okay. Then after you have to draw a 65 mm line in top here also, by adjusting that 65 mm line and keeping on that point and drawing a arc like this, or here it should maybe like this you have to do, and draw a line of 65 mm like this end you will get a 65 mm line, okay. This end will be P and this will be Q, okay. And after this from the Q I have done extra process, so from there we don't have to do. After taking this from Q, you have to draw the line till this XY line, and from there from P to that line you have to adjust your divider and you have to draw an arc like this. Then after, where this arc is meeting to this locus, from there to that P point you have to draw a line like this. These two top view we have got it. Then after, from this small projector end you have to take a straight line till here, another front view projector line you will get, and you have to dark that also, okay. And this is PQ and this is the Q1 dash and this will be the Q2 dash, okay. Now according to the question, this is the complete solution of this problem, and you have to show all the dimensions as given in the question. 65 mm shown, and 20 mm, 60 mm, 30 mm, according to the question also you have to show. And in the question he also says that to determine the true inclination. Inclination means angle. This angle is also called alpha, and this angle is also called beta. True inclination, this angle is called true inclination of front view and top view. So for the alpha, you have to adjust your protractor to that angle and measure that this is the angle, how much it is, 10, 20, 30, and you are getting 38. So write it as 38 degree. Means the alpha angle is 30 degree, and for the beta you have to adjust your protractor like this and adjust is how much you are having, 10, 20, 30, 20, 25, 26, 27 degree you are getting. So 27 degree you have to show. This is the true inclination of this problem. So hope guys, if you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe my channel, and also watch my videos till the end. Also practice by yourself, then only you will come to understand how to draw this problem. And please also press in my YouTube channel bell icon to get you the more notification of my videos. Thank you.